So the ability to take photos or little videos of people doing things to use towards your evidence, keeping those in Cloud Assess really helps with that validation process.
Absolutely. Nelson, I think that's something that you're doing at the moment at Access Mining. Is that right?
Yeah, very much being driven by the trainer assessors. They hate writing comments, taking notes, things like that. It's not their skill set. Their skill set's either trades personnel or underground operators doing those administrative type tasks they don't like. So instead of long-winded notes, this person, this location, this item of machinery, these ground conditions, this task was being completed, all of those details can be captured with one photo or a quick video. Things like verifying individuals can conduct break tests. There's a great level of certainty there that we've assessed that content accurately when there's a video there of an individual doing a break test. So, yeah, it's promoted quite well by the trainer assessors using Cloud Assess.